Firecracker Chicken. Today, we're cooking up something seriously delicious. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 1. Chicken. 1.5 pounds boneless, skinless chicken. 2. Cornstarch. 2 tablespoons. 3. Vegetable or sesame oil. 1 tablespoon. 4. Salt. Half teaspoon. 5. Black pepper. Half teaspoon. For firecracker sauce. Inner. Buffalo hot sauce. Half cup. 2. Brown sugar. Half cup. 3. Apple cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons. 4. Soy sauce. 1 tablespoon. 5. Garlic. 2 cloves. Minced. 6. Red pepper flakes. 1/4 teaspoon. Optional. For serving. Optional. Chopped green onions. Sesame seeds. Here we go. Let's get started. From start to finish will take about 30 minutes. 1. Coat chicken. In a bowl, toss chicken pieces with cornstarch, salt, and pepper until evenly coated. 2. Saute chicken set Instant Pot to saute mode. Add oil. Once hot, add chicken and sear for 3 to 4 minutes until lightly browned. Don't fully cook it. 3. Mix. Add sauce. In a separate bowl, mix all sauce ingredients. Pour over browned chicken in the pot and stir to coat evenly. 4. Pressure cook cancel saute mode. Seal the lid. Set to manual. Pressure cook on high pressure for 7 minutes. 5. Quick release after cooking. Carefully do a quick release of pressure. Turn the valve to venting. 6. Thicken sauce. Optional. If sauce is too thin, turn on saute again. Mix 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 1 tablespoon cold water. Stir in and simmer for 1-2 minutes until thickened. Serve it up. Spoon the spicy sweet chicken over hot rice or noodles. Garnish with sesame seeds and chopped green onions. Little tricks that make a big difference. Thighs versus breasts. Chicken thighs are juicier and more forgiving under pressure. Use them for extra tenderness. Crispier texture. After pressure cooking, transfer chicken to a baking sheet and broil for 3 to 5 minutes for a caramelized finish. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal